other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winchester, Lyndale, Kimcombe, Constant Station, Flanagan, Forest Grove, Hunt, Haggard, Gilcan, and Pretty Run. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.